Namaskar everyone, welcome back to the channel.
So today we will be trying authentic Amritsari kulcha and chole.
What? Are we going to Amritsar or what?
No. So this is a place in Halsur which serves the best and authentic Amritsari kulcha and chole.
Oh, is it? I'm very much excited to visit this place, guys. Super pumped to do this.
So without further ado, let's go.
Okay guys, so we have reached Amritsari Kulcha White.
So the address to reach this place and with the Google Map link will be given in the description below. Do check it out.
So, bunny, tindi tinana.
So guys, I have got the mixed veg kulcha. Along with that we have chole here for accompaniment and also some salad chutney which goes well along with the chole as per the people have said here. So let me try this and I'll let you know how it tastes. So as you can see, the kulcha is very crispy. So here's the filling and also it is loaded with full of butter and even the chole doesn't look that spicy. So let me taste this. Chole is very spicy and also the crispiness of kulcha goes well with this chole. And also you can see the mixed veg has got gobi, pyaz, aloo and paneer all within one thing. So stuffing is properly uniformly spread and it is very good to taste.
Okay guys, so I have got my personal favorite here, aloo and pyaz. So this is not the first time I'm coming here. I've come here before also and I've tried this. I just love this. So as you can see, it's fully loaded with butter, and as Vinayak said, we have also got chole and chutney, which is like some onion and all. So it looks good. First of all, it looks really amazing. So let me try this. This is amazing, guys. You get that flavor of aloo and also the onion, and these kulchas are so crispy. It's just amazing. Okay guys, so and we have also ordered the paneer kulcha. Just look at it, how it looks. It looks so awesome.
And also you can see the stuffing here. So it's completely loaded with paneer and pyaz stuffing. So it looks really great, and we'll try this and let you know.
And also so much of butter, guys. So much of butter. Let's try this, Vinayak.
So you must try this. So paneer kulcha is unbeatable, guys. Unbeatable.
Amazing, guys. Among all these kulchas, I think this is the best one. You have to try this. If you are coming here, do try this. You will definitely thank us. What can be a better option after such heavy kulchas, guys? So I've got a lassi here. As you can see the size, I'm not sure I'm gonna finish this all, but just look at it, how it looks. It looks very delicious, creamy. So let me try this. Wow, the lassi is just awesome, guys. It's sweet, and I think Vinayak, this is one of the best lassis I've ever had. I mean, after coming to Bangalore at least. The last time I had such a good lassi was in Pathankot. After that, this is the best one, guys.
So guys, here we have with us the owner of Amritsari Kulche Bite. So नमस्ते सर जी। तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका कुलचा, बहुत टेस्टी था। तो आप बताइए कि ये चालू कैसे हुआ और कब हुआ?
ये चालू हमने किया था 2 सितंबर लास्ट ईयर। पहले हमने स्टार्ट किया था कार स्ट्रीट में और विद इन 1 मंथ के अंदर हमने, वो जगह बहुत छोटी लग रही थी जिस हिसाब से विजिटर आ रहे थे, फिर हमने 1 मंथ के अंदर ये रेस्टोरेंट खोल दिया जो कि काफ़ी बड़ा है, सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट भी है। कुलचा बहुत लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है। दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट टाइम कि हम बेंगलोर में फर्स्ट ऑथेंटिसिटी लोगों को मिली है अमृतसरी कुलचे की।
तो आपके टाइमिंग्स बताइए व्यूअर्स को, ताकि वो उनको आसानी हो यहाँ पे।
टाइमिंग मॉर्निंग 8 to 3 है। वैसे अमृतसर में तो ये सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट और ब्रंच और ये डिश है, बट बेंगलोर में थोड़ा अलग सिस्टम है, लोग रात को ज़्यादा खाना पसंद करते हैं, तो फिर हमने रात को भी शुरू कर दिया और रात का टाइमिंग है 7 to 11।
और आपकी छुट्टी नहीं होती कभी?
नहीं, छुट्टी कभी नहीं।
So guys, they don't have any holidays, so you can come and visit anytime soon.
Thank you, sir. Okay guys, so we're back from Amritsari Kulcha Bite and the experience was really amazing.
So the food was very good and it was not so spicy, it was best to taste, and even the staff was very friendly there.
And also it's very economical, guys. I mean, the average price of the kulchas was
Around
roughly
50
around
rupees.
50-60 rupees, so which is really good for that kind of quality. And also you as it is located in the streets of Alsur, so you may not find the parking place for bigger vehicles, but if you have two-wheelers and all, that's fine. So overall guys, it's a big thumbs up from us. So we really enjoyed this place. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. So if you did, then do give a big fat thumbs up, and if not subscribed to Buy2Copy yet, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the Buy2Copy family.
So we'll be back with a new video and a new place to explore. Till then,
Stay hungry,
stay foodie.